I wanted to do a little bit of a spotlight on Kordes roses. In my garden, I know that Kordes is going to be healthy and black spot resistant, and I love Bliss Parfuma. She has been a repeatable bloomer, and I haven't really had to bother very much with her with any diseases, and she's repeatable and dependable. So I have really enjoyed this rose, and I'm going to be buying a dozen more in the coming year to line the driveway because she's just so amazing. Another one that I want to share with you is Crazy Love. And Crazy Love has been really dependable, and it's got a little bit of a black spot, but it still keeps on blooming, and the color is so fun to look at. Another great Kordes rose is Summer Sun, and look at this. The color just pops, and it has been black spot resistant, although it has black spot a little bit. It just still keeps on going, and it has grown so well. So I love that rose. I can't say enough about this one. This is Summer Memories, and it has gotten huge in the first year. It has been non-stop blooming, black spot resistant. It is just an awesome rose, and it's down here by the water where it gets full sun, and you'll see as the blooms age, they age down a little bit, but it still looks fantastic. And if you were to walk by this in your garden, it just looks completely full of blooms. So that's another great Kordes rose. Let's see if there's anybody else in here. Let's head over to the other side. Not a Kordes, but one of my favorites. This is Olivia, and she has been very disease resistant. She will be the first to bloom in your garden every year, and it's just non-stop blooming. So she blooms for me in sun as well as in the shade. Sweet Mademoiselle is another rose that has just been stellar for me. Black spot resistant. Look at and the size of the blooms are huge. Really nice rose. Okay, let's keep going down to find another rose that I want to share with you. This rose has been outstanding, and I know it's hard to see right now because I've let it go a little bit wild so that I could take some nice long blooms for vases. This is Sonnenwelt, and it has been so dependable, and the colors change while it's blooming from an apricot to a yellow during the heat of the summer, and it has just been phenomenal. It really just started to get a little bit of black spot here at the end of the season, but it has been really resistant to black spot. This is Princess Charlene de Monaco. So I'm sure that there are other roses that have been hardy in the garden, but those are the top ones that I wanted to spotlight for you this season. I'll see you in the next one.